Hello everyone, my name is Golden Flash. Welcome back to another video, and today we are playing Ratchet and Clank All for One. This is actually the very first game I got on my PS3, and I loved it so much. I love the Ratchet and Clank series. I've seen the movie and stuff. I'm a big nerd of it. Like, you got Clark, no, you got Clank. Yeah, big nerd. Just got one of the names wrong. You got Clank, Ratchet and Clank, Dr. Nefarious, and Quark. Now we're going to be starting a new save. So that means we'll go back to... Hold on. Hold on. Profile. Let's not see... Okay, I forgot that I completed the game. Let's see if we can't get, a new... Okay, we can't get a new game. Okay, shoot. Oh, this sucks. If I just go back to, like, Luminopolis or something, I'll have all the weapons and stuff. Oh, what I could do is, actually, I have another profile that I decided to create. And I can actually go onto that one, and I can create a new game on it. And, yeah. Because I don't want to have to start with all the weapons and stuff, because that makes it too easy, and I don't want it to be easy. I used to want it to be easy because, I wasn't very good at the game, but, oh yeah, since I don't have PSN on this, I can't do anything online. So let's just do Ratchet and Clank All for One. But let's just get to the menu again, yay. I should have thought this through. But yeah, hope you are enjoying your day so far. Hope your day is going good. And yeah. Oh, I just checked my recording 2 minutes in the video and we haven't even started the game. Well, nothing keeps it dull like loudness and annoyingness, right? Come on, game. Like, I don't have enough time. I don't really have the time here. Yes, whatever. Okay, no copyright. Who cares? This game will need to install data. Oh my gosh! Now, can I just skip this and let it do it in the background? Please? Okay, let's just see what happens. Okay. Okay, it's loading, Everything will be new to me. Okay, we can find stuff. Finally, okay. We can do this, make sure, yeah. No, there is no easy, wow, okay. Let's go.
Subduing the insidious light-eating Zigbrute against near impossible odds. How's that sound?
Pork, doesn't accepting an award for something you didn't do make you feel the slightest bit deceitful?
It depends. Does deceitful mean impressive? Heroic? Awe-inspiring? Fine, I don't care what it means. We're talking about a light-eating Zigbrute here. You know what this will do for my approval rating?
I never even heard of an intergalactic tool of justice award. Who did you say invited you?
I don't know. The guy was all cloak and dagger on the phone, but I'm sure the whole thing's on the up and up. Look at him, peacefully slumbering in the warm embrace of cryosleep.
I don't know about this. Maybe we should call Clank and Zephyr.
Oh, Ratchet, so young, so unused to the spoils of do-goodery. Don't worry, when you're a hero, you'll understand
Wow, okay, so Duncan Ferris just released this reanimated or brought back to life this light eating Okay then. Well, aren't you hungry? Yep. Oh, are you gonna lick that? Oh no, you didn't. Oh, what? Wait, I'm confused already. I got a trophy already for what? Okay, actually, let's find this trophy. What in the world? Play a single player game. Oh, I see. Okay.
We must stop as a group before he destroys the city.
You don't think I thought of that, Clank? Like, really? Well, like, I know a lot of you are actually confused because you're like, oh, Ratchet and Clank, how do they know each other? Or, like, who's Dr. Nefarious? How do they know Quark and all of that? If you want me to play the previous games before this, I will gladly do it. Just leave a comment down below if you want me to do it. And yeah.
Hey, that's my ship!
What? Aphelion! No! Oh yeah, the ship's called Aphelion. It wasn't always blue and futuristic. It was in Ratchet and Clank, Future or Crack in Time. But even if you guys do suggest that game, I cannot play right now. It is not really working for me. Every time I try and play it, it just crashes on the game, on the starting menu even, and it's saying, well, I'm trying to do everything to get it fixed. I might just buy another copy. But yeah, also displayed here. These tutorial right there, they're so tedious to me for some reason. They're just okay. I get it.
Currently, the entire Polaris Defense Force is off on a field trip to the single and hating its speed dating convention in Meridian City.
What? Why? Why is what? Okay, the people who are supposed. Okay, basically what she said is the people who are supposed to protect this planet, are on vacation to a somewhere. Oh, we have police. Okay, I know for a fact that they're not going to be able to do squat against a Zagroot. Like, look at the thing. Like, come on. Okay, bye then.
I'm over here. The depravity of this creature knows no bounds, folks. He just destroyed Rusty Pete's healthy hamburger shack. Its vegan wheatgrass and tree-bark burger was a favorite of hipsters everywhere.
Who cares about hipsters? Right? Clank, sometimes you really do make no sense, and... Okay, hold on. X square. Ooh, I remember this. That's fun. Ooh, but these are even more fun. They're so satisfying to look at, but when you break them, they're not... Oh, I remember these. Oh, jeez. Look, the floor is lava. No! The floor is... Like, Dr. Nefarious is an evil person, but he's good in this game. Like, he helps Ratchet and Clank and Quark in this game. So, like, imagine him, like, this is the floor, and, like, here's not the floor. So imagine, like, you tell Dr. Nefarious, the floor is being good to Ratchet and Clank. Ah! He, like, jumps off immediately. Oh, what are these? Sir, that does not look good for your diet. Okay, what are these? These are luminoids. Okay then. Can you power up my apartment, please? I mean, I may need help powering it. Can I not use Clank? Okay, apparently, you can't use other characters unless you choose them as like second player or first player or something like that. And
Everyone okay?
oh. Jeez, that scared me. That scared the living daylights out of me. Oh, okay then. Yay.
I'm over here.
Yeah, this game is really fun so far. That's good. Oh, jeez, I forgot. Okay. Let's just go up here. This game, if I try and speedrun it, it's actually not very long. But if I try and like get all the weapons and upgrades, if you want me to do that, then I can. Leave a comment down below if you want me to. But if you want me to like just speed run through this game so you can see, you know, all the cutscenes and all the boss fights and all that, then I don't mind. But it would make it a little more challenging since I won't like have time to stop for weapons or anything like that. Like I'll do that, but like I don't think I'll have time to just stop for weapons and stuff.
I'm over here.
Oh, no, I didn't do anything. Oh, jeez. Slam attack them and melee.
Come on, we gotta catch up.
Oh, Clank, I thought you almost died. I mean, you almost did die. What am I talking about? Quick killer. Aw, thanks. That's really nice of you. Ooh, shiny lights being broken. What's more satisfying? Shiny perfect lights or shiny perfect lights being smashed, not smashing. Oh, cool. We called a taxi. Apparently, it's an air taxi, and I can control using my weight.
It looks like our heroes have commandeered an air taxi in order to catch up to this group.
Cool.
Bold move. Let's hope it ends in something that boosts our ratings.
Okay, I'm pretty sure no one will want to come to this city again after this.
The steering's out. Shift your weight. It'll bend the gravity coils.
What? Okay, I'm just moving left and right. Jeez, my nose is G. Oh, jeez.
Watch out for the air cars.
Well, thank goodness this thing takes like one control because I can't use both hands. When my sister and I played this years ago, we could never do this part perfectly. We would always run into cop cars, and so, yeah. Oh, did I just do it perfectly? Oh, look at that!
Destroying the city.
Nah, I thought he was...
Come on, we're close.
Yeah, we are. Oh, Ratchet, we don't have to get that close. Why, Ratchet? Just why, dude?
Now that was a close one. This might be a good time to mention our sponsor, Futon Hall's Lunar Funeral Home. Don't settle for a boring afterlife. Spend eternity spinning in your grave. Thanks to Futon Hall's zero-G coffins.
Why would you do that? That's not even... that wouldn't be fun. I mean, for the dead people, yes. But for like, the afterlife people, are you okay, my dude? Don't have a boring afterlife. Spend an eternity spinning in your grave. Why? I would say no. Oh, look at that. Aww.
An interesting development. It appears that strange, unidentified robots have teleported into city limits.
Cleaner man.
I'm no expert, but they don't appear to belong to Dr. Nefarious.
Are you sure?
Robots have chosen to take advantage of our distraction with its group and invade our city.
Okay. Yeah. Just take this. Jump and take that and take this and take that and take that and da 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 da. Oh, you can't hit me with these lasers. You can't hit me with these lasers. You too slow. You too slow. Yeah. Oh, nice glitch. Oh. Yeah, we rule. Deal with it.
Looks like our heroes found a weapon kiosk from the president's failed.
Failed what? No, I want to go back. Wait. Failed what?
Firepower. Are you ready to get certified? This is just a recording. I'll assume you said yes.
Okay. Oh. I was pressing O. Okay then.
Training program will teach you how to use your new combustor. Start by unholstering your weapon.
What?
Aha! Okay, step one. Fire!
He just like you can like hear his mumbling as he's like skipping over the instructions. Okay, step one, fire. Okay, I guess we're just firing.
Impressive shooting, citizen. You mastered the
Citizen, are you?
but I thank you, Dr. Nefarious.
You? If I remember correctly, you weren't even there. So I don't know what you were talking about.
One thing that surprised me when I first became a hero was how much people don't enjoy getting shot. If your target produces substantial fire,
You are so ego something. It was like you have a gigantic ego, okay? You have the ego the size of the world. No, a universe. Actually, let me rephrase that. You have an ego so big, there is not a word I can say. There is nothing in the universe or galaxy or anything that describes how big your ego is. I just like rant on for like 20 minutes straight about how big Cork's ego is. It is like, and this and that and this ego and that ego and whatever. Oh no! Jeez, I almost died. Like, ammo pads refill ammo. Well, no squad, of course they do. This game is literally pointing out all the cliches right now. They're just like, oh, this does that. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, I can see, game. I have eyes. Jeez, man. Okay, I'm thinking I'm stupid. You guys don't think I'm stupid, right? Right? Oh, I hate this thing. The camera moves for you. I'm used to like using the right triggers, just like the right stick to move around.
The Zagroot has just been sighted making its way towards the Luminopolis power plant, and it looks like the unidentified robots are following. They must be here for the Zagroot.
Scout me. Oh. Okay, well, I'm going to leave this video here. I hope you have enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like down below, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.